Perfect Fly, voice behind H&H Tire the past decade, and this really hits home with me. Maybe you're like me and you're rebuilding your credit after life happens. Well, now you can get up to $2,500 with no credit needed, with only $10 down. Fast approval within 10 minutes, and there's a nice...
The county goes up. Our homeless population.
Cincinnati game, the first game of the year, and Drew Tranquil got his leg broken. Yeah. And I ran into him in the hotel on the way to get it x-rayed to see a specialist up in Green Bay. And it was
for $10,000 over here.
Society, and we every week our good friend Ed Dills,
One way, the other.
it works good for us too because you know, we might have a weekend special that we're just wanting this special to run.